Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather update. There are two areas to watch over the next couple of days. Number one is this area of circulation to the south of most of Bermuda that the National Hurricane Center is watching. It has a very low chance of development. Right now it's not a named storm. It's just an area of low pressure that the National Hurricane Center is looking into for possible development. It's got a low chance of development over the next couple of days, but it's not expected to become a named storm, as there is dry air to the west and south of it, and it is expected to encounter wind shear very soon. Both those factors taken together will significantly reduce the chances of a system developing, this area of circulation developing into a named system, within the next couple of days. The worst impacts that it is expected to bring right now to Bermuda is some rain and gusty winds. The second area to watch is the potential tropical cyclone 1, which is the remnants of Hurricane Agatha, which hit southern Mexico as a Category 2 on Tuesday. Right now, the center of circulation is very broad. Yeah, as you can see here, it's been torn up by the mountainous terrain of Mexico. It is starting to trying to reorganize here. I say trying because it's encountering some heavy wind shear, which has pushed most of the thunderstorm activity to the north and east of the center of circulation. The center of circulation itself is not very tightly wrapped. It's very elongated. So, meaning unless it becomes tightly wrapped and unless the thunderstorms start to stack on top of the center of circulation, we won't see very much strengthening over the next couple of days, even though the system is expected to become Tropical Storm Alex either tonight or tomorrow. And over Florida, the worst impacts will be heavy rain, which might lead to street flooding and flash flooding, especially in low-lying areas and areas of poor drainage. So if you are driving on the road and you see standing water, don't drive through standing water. Turn around and don't drown. Here we have the ECMWF model, also known as the European model, which has been shown to be consistently more accurate than the GFS model. However, both models could be accurate or wrong, depending on circumstances. For the European model, at 2 p.m. it put the center of circulation northwest of Cuba, and it set it at 1,003 millibars of pressure. Now, as we run the ECMWF model, you'll notice the precipitation or the moist air which is heading towards Florida, and you'll also notice that the landfall is set to of the center of circulation is set to be at Charlotte County on 15Z on Saturday, June 4th, 2022, or 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And if that holds out, then the system will exit eastern Florida by midnight on Sunday, June 5th, 2022. However, the GFS model puts the system further west than the ECMWF model. At 2 p.m., it put the center of circulation just to the southwest of Key West. And if that holds out, then landfall could occur further south, just northeast of Key West. And it could occur as soon as midnight tonight, or a few hours later. And if that's the case, then the rain threat will be much shorter and more concentrated towards South Florida. And more importantly, the system will be out of here by tomorrow afternoon. So if the GFS model holds out, we may not have rain for as long as we expect tomorrow. However, if the ECMWF holds out, tomorrow will be a rain event pretty much the whole day. So we'll have to wait and see what the model is bringing tomorrow. And as far as severe weather is concerned, we have a slight risk of severe weather in portions of our eastern Colorado as well as eastern New Mexico and western Texas. We also have a slight risk of severe weather in portions of the Carolinas along the coast, as well as portions of the Florida Keys due to the tropical system that's going to be impacting us. We're not going to expect to see very much severe weather. Most of the rain here is going to be steady precipitation rather than severe thunderstorms, but there is still a chance of thunderstorm or two developing. So it's good to keep an eye on that. And looking back in the Atlantic, there is nothing else to report on. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed the weather update.